Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to distress a hat and bleaching it. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and show me some love. Yes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and get into it. The tools that you would need is a tweezer and a razor. So right here you're going to take your razor and you're going to just find a place where you would like to start at. And you're just going to like gently go, onto the fabric. You don't want to press in your fabric too hard because then eventually you'll make a big hole, and we're trying to make a ripple effect versus a big huge hole. So I also end up getting some thumbtacks so I can tack down my hat. That way, when I use my tweezers to pluck away the ripples, I will be able to keep it steady and still. So right now, I'm showing you how it's good just to tack down your hat. Right now you're just going to lightly pluck away any loose fabric that you see until you see like your white strands of your fabric of your hat. It all depends on what color your hat is again. So this is my final look before I bleached the hat. This is my final look of what I've done. I also did the same thing as I shown you guys in the first beginning of the video on the edges of my hat, also all around. Just like I said, you want to be able to still see the white ripples of the hat and kind of just pluck away the darker tone of your hat. This is my final look color your hat is for you to I didn't record how I bleached it because it was just me up and I didn't really have the tools to show you. So what I did was grab the cup and I kind of like put my hand into the bleach and I kind of just splashed it with my fingertips, and this is what it came out to looking like. I really am happy with my results.